Some household poisons do not look dangerous at all. The donkey professor stands in a bright kitchen and ignores the obvious hazards for a moment. He begins with containers, colors, smells, and storage habits. Children are not experts in chemistry. They are experts in imitation, curiosity, and fast decisions. That is why chemical incidents at home can become serious so quickly. The adult sees a cleaner, a pod, a bottle, a cabinet. The child sees juice, candy, soap bubbles, something soft, shiny, or familiar enough to trust. In this scene, the trouble begins with a set of brightly colored cleaners stored under the sink in a low cabinet with no lock and no child barrier. It feels efficient. It feels temporary. It feels harmless because the product is meant for cleaning, not for harm. But chemicals do not care what the label says they are for. They care where they are stored, how they are packaged, and who can reach them first. Then the moment changes. A child opens the cabinet, sees a sweet-looking liquid, and reaches for it the same way they would reach for a drink pouch or juice bottle. The professor stops there and points to the hidden truth. Poisoning risk in homes is often created long before the child touches anything. It is created when adults normalize convenience over control. Children read color and shape long before they read hazard labels. A low cabinet under the sink is not safe just because adults think children know better. He explains the failure chain with calm precision. Access was easy. The product looked safe or familiar. The storage location was not locked, not high enough, not separated well enough, or not kept in the original container. And the response is always slower when nobody can immediately say what the child reached for. That is why mature chemical safety is boring by design. Original containers stay original. Labels stay readable. Toxic products stay locked away or placed far above child reach. Pods, sprays, bleaches, acids, and solvents are not stored beside snacks, dishes, pet items, or drink containers. And temporary relocation into water bottles or unlabeled jars is never a shortcut. It is a trap. The donkey professor makes the deeper point too. Children do not need to swallow much for the emergency to become real. Some products burn skin, some injure eyes, some can seriously harm the airway. That is why the first control is storage, not reaction. Then he gives the family rule set. Lock it, label it, separate it, keep it out of sight, not only out of reach. Never describe medicine or detergent as candy. Never transfer cleaners into food or drink containers. And if exposure happens, act immediately and bring the product information with you. The donkey professor leaves the lesson where families can actually use it. If the chemical looks harmless to a child, then the storage system must provide the warning for them. Type this in the comments. Safety first. Subscribe to join the few who seek truth. Share this with someone who needs